my God! Ah! Ah! Kaya nga kasi mag-2:00 na dapat matapos na. Ay, taloot! Candidate number 2. Miss Argao. Ay, kabado. Ginabahan na. Ay, my God. Ay, kabado ako.
From Myra Ian 360 Pharmacy and a voucher from Cold Mountain Resort. To present the award, we have Honorable Attorney Herculean Reese. Runner-up is number 12, Poblacion.
Ay, kisa kay Miss Argao, my God. Ah, my God.
Our second runner-up will receive his sash is
Oh, my God.
candidate number 7 from Barangay Bugo.
Oh, my God. Ay!
Miss Argao.
Ay! Taloot!
Now, ladies and gentlemen, take note. We will be announcing first our new queen, our Miss Argao. The remaining candidate will be our first runner-up. Our first runner-up will receive a sash, 30,000. Will receive a sash, 50 flowers, a gift bag from Fox Beds, a one-night stay at New Star Hotel, a voucher.
Oh, my God. Tinapos nila ng 1:00. Sakto lang. Bala na.
Honorable Attorney Orby Ortega.
Ay, my God. Kulbayin. Ay! Huy!
We will be announcing first our new queen, Miss Argao 2025.
Cut! Number 2.
And our
Number 2.
Miss Argao 2025
Ah, number 2. Ay, number 2.
candidate number
2. 2.
candidate number 2.
Wow! Wow! Siya talaga.
Which means our first runner-up is candidate number 5 from Barangay Lamtan, Manisca Therese Ramondes.
Wow, grabe. Kat! Congratulations! Sus, puyabuyag. Uy, puyabuyag. Grabe, Jud. Grabe. Oh my God. So amazing. Congrats talaga, Day. Grabe. Nanghakot na nga siya ng award sa ano pa lang eh. Siya laban yan sa ano, sa Cebu. Wow. My God. Grabe. Ay, God. Daan palagi jud ko. Daan palagi jud ko.